Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Test Prep Training. Today, we will discuss about AWS Lambda. Launched in 2014, it has soared in demand, becoming one of the most widely adopted and fastest growing products for AWS. What is serverless? Serverless is a way to describe the services, practices, and strategies that enable you to build more agile applications, so you can adapt to change more quickly. With serverless computing, infrastructure management tasks, like capacity provisioning and patching, are handled by AWS, allowing you to concentrate on writing code that serves your customers. Benefits of serverless computing: 1. Lower your costs. 2. Cut time to market. 3. Easy scalability. 4. Building better application. What is AWS Lambda? AWS Lambda, an event-driven, serverless computing platform, provided by Amazon, as a part of Amazon Web Services. This serverless compute service lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers, creating workload-aware, cluster scaling logic, maintaining event integrations, or managing runtimes. You can use Lambda to run code for almost any form of application or backend service, all with zero administration. As a result, you won't have to think about which AWS resources to launch or how to manage them. Rather, just upload your code on Lambda, which efficiently and flexibly executes the code. Moreover, AWS Lambda has been used in a variety of applications around us. How does AWS Lambda work? Step 1. Upload your code in any language supported by AWS Lambda, like Java, Python, Go, C#, and more. Step 2. AWS services allow you to trigger AWS Lambda. It helps you to upload code and event details on which it should be triggered. Step 3. Lambda automatically and precisely allocates compute execution power and runs your code based on the incoming request or event for any scale of traffic. Step 4. AWS charges only when the AWS Lambda code executes. Why use AWS Lambda? The reasons to use AWS Lambda are as follows. 1. Fully managed infrastructure. 2. Continuous scaling. 3. Pay-per-use. 4. Integration with other AWS products. 5. Execute code in milliseconds. Use cases. Lambda's architecture can have significant advantages over traditional cloud computing setups for applications in which: first, individual tasks run for a limited period of time. Second, each task is usually self-contained. And the workload of the program varies greatly between the lowest and highest levels. Now, let's discuss about the kind of applications that can be built with AWS Lambda. 1. Data processing. 2. Real-time file processing. 3. Machine learning. 4. Stream processing. 5. Websites. 6. Backends and mobile applications. Pricing. With AWS Lambda, you pay only for what you use. You are charged based on the number of requests for your functions and the duration, the time it takes for your code to execute. Here are the following steps involved. 1. Each time Lambda starts running, in response to an event notification or invoke call, including test invokes from the console, it counts a request. 2. Duration is calculated from the time your code begins executing until it returns or otherwise terminates, rounded up to the nearest 1 milliseconds. 3. Provision concurrency is calculated from the time you enable it on your function until it is disabled, rounded up to the nearest 5 minutes. 4. The price depends on the amount of memory you allocate to your function. Conclusion. Given that AWS Lambda will run code in response to a variety of events, including HTTP requests via Amazon API Gateway, object changes at Amazon S3 buckets, Amazon DynamoDB, table updates, and AWS step function, state transitions, it proves to be highly versatile and flexible. It's a lot easier to handle than traditional cloud systems, and AWS multiple services open up a world of possibilities. So, if you look to broaden your product's capabilities or fully reinvent the way it executes tasks, You should definitely choose AWS Lambda. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.